Hi guys, good morning and welcome to our online math class. I'm very happy to have this online platform where we could have rich and meaningful teaching and learning experience with our school. Unfortunately, it would be very impossible for us to meet physically in our school because of the threat of coronavirus. And so just stay home. With the comfort of your home, you can do this in your living room, the bedroom, or whichever. But I do expect for you guys to complete all your work by 12 noon from Monday to Friday. All right. So our scheduled math class, online math class, runs from 10:40 to 11:20. So the first thing that you would do, like the rest of your subject in school, is to log into your Google Classroom account. I will be sending a Canva reminder to parents and to you 5 minutes or a couple of minutes before the lesson starts. All right. So please do check in your Google Classroom for my announcement, which can be I will be using just two tabs from Google Classroom. You'll find that below. Um, the stream. The stream, that's where you will find all my announcement from which I'll be making from time to time. And for the actual classwork, on the actual classwork, it would be dated week of March 23rd. Then you just click on all the lessons Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It would be in a form, most of it would be in a form of Google Slides or any other online platform. Um, I'm trying to do it as close as we can, like what we do in school, but without problem of the day. Most of the time, it would be a guided instruction. So you will pause and try to do it on your own. And so for every slides, so over here, right down in here, would be mini lesson. Mr. Bal, I will be explaining to you on how this problem can be solved, and then the video clip will stop. Then you proceed to the next slide. On the next slide, you will have your actual lesson. Now, where do we find this actual lesson? You were provided, I gave you the plenty of packets, but we'll be working on the first packet I gave you the Thursday before school closed. It says lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 until lesson 10. All right. So we would try to finish the lesson. I'm hoping that we can do it in just one day, but I tried it today. It's we cannot cover all of them, including my with a 40-minute window. It's impossible for me to cover that all of the lessons. But if we cannot cover all of it, it would be a continue. The following day would be a continuation of that lesson. So my expectation for you guys is that you watch the video, okay, and if you do not know it or you're still confused, you can pause and rewind or shoot me a text message or a comment in our Google Classroom. Okay, um, I will be doing a mini lesson, and then I will instruct you to do it on your own, and then put the timer as well, so that you will solve the problem given the time. Okay, and then once you're done, we're gonna go over the questions, take your notes, compare your answer, and then watch my video as I explain, as I go through every problem. All right, and then you pause it, you pause the lesson, and then compare your notes. And if you think you got it wrong, then copy down the answer. Okay, and then move on again once you're done and complete with the task. Move on to the next slide. You click on the next slide, it's down below, and work on the problem independently with a timer. So I will be giving you 15 minutes or less depending on the degree of difficulty. It's very exciting. But you are expected to complete one exit ticket to be submitted every single day, cada dia. All right, an exit ticket, it's always due at 12 noon, alas 12, not midnight, 12 o'clock. Okay, so from 10:40 to 11:20, that's our online class, and you can wrap up that lesson. You could prepare, and then between 11:20 to 12 o'clock, that would be your time to do your exit ticket or whatever it may be, because you still have a class though. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Because it's really difficult. So for every work that you would take, get a loose leaf. If you do not have a loose leaf, at least you have a marble notebook. You solve the problem here. Write exactly the number. You do not need to copy the questions because I know what it is. And I would tell you, please work on problem number 2 on page 6. Take a picture of it. And then after taking a picture of it, send it to me, turn it in, upload it so I can check it. And you will have that classwork every single day. If you don't have it, you'll be marked 0 and it will reflect on your jump rope. For any question, feel free to leave a comment either in a Google Classroom. All right, thank you so much, guys, and I hope that um, will be this crisis will be over soon, and I just wish you a safe and productive learning experience at home. Thank you so much.